primetime news this evening. Education Ministry probe intensifies. FID and MOCA joins investigation into multi-million-dollar transfer between ministry and JCTE. Integrity Commission presses for amendments to make its voice heard. And mixing COVID vaccinations, family questions health officials after seniors' vaccination card shows both Pfizer and AstraZeneca jabs.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the Reggae Boys' 2-0 win against Honduras Wednesday night? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.